Hello friends, welcome to another video on the revision lecture series of Lucent General Knowledge book. This is part 14 of this video lecture series. In this part, we'll be taking up the Sangam period. So let's start. The word Sangam denotes what? And the correct answer is, it is an assemblage of literary figures. Sangam age is associated with dash language and the correct answer is Tamil language. What were the three main dynasties of Sangam period? And the correct answer is the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandya. What was the capital of Cheras? And the correct answer is Vanji or Karayur. What was the capital of Cholas? And the correct answer is the inland capital was Urayur and the coastal capital was Puhar. What was the capital of Pandyas? And the correct answer is the inland capital was Madurai and the coastal capital was Korkai. What was the state emblem for Cheras? And the correct answer is bow. What was the state emblem for Cholas? And the correct answer is tiger. What was the state emblem for Pandyas? And the correct answer is fish. Which region was occupied by Cheras? And the correct answer is Kerala and part of Tamil Nadu. Which were the main ports of Chera dynasty? And the correct answer is Muzriz and Tondi. Who set up two regiments at Muzriz? And the correct answer is Romans. Romans built a temple of Augustus at Dash and the correct answer is Muzriz. Who is the first known ruler of Chera dynasty? And the correct answer is Udayan Garal. Who is the greatest ruler of Chera dynasty? And the correct answer is Sengotu I. Which ruler is also known by the name of Red Chera? And the correct answer is Sengotu I. Which ruler is said to have invaded the north and even crossed the Ganges? And the correct answer is Sengotu I. What is Pattini cult? And the correct answer is worship of goddess of chastity, Kannagi. Who is the founder of Pattini cult? And the correct answer is Sengotu I. Chola kingdom was also known as Dash and the correct answer is Chola Mandalam. Where was the Chola kingdom situated? And the correct answer is northeast of Pandya kingdom. Chola kingdom was situated between which two rivers? And the correct answer is Pennar river and Vellar river. Chola kingdom corresponds to which modern day places? And the correct answer is Tanjore and Tiruchirappalli district of Tamil Nadu. Which place in Chola kingdom was famous for cotton cloth? And the correct answer is the inland capital of Urayur. The main source of wealth for Cholas was trade in cotton cloth. What was the main port of Chola kingdom which also served as an alternative capital of Cholas? And the correct answer is Puhar, which is identical with Kaviripatnam. Who is the first known ruler of Chola dynasty? And the correct answer is Elara. Which ruler of Chola dynasty conquered Sri Lanka and ruled over it for 50 years? And the correct answer is Elara. This showed they had an efficient navy. Who was the greatest king of Chola kingdom? And the correct answer is Karikala. Who founded Puhar and constructed 160-kilometer embankment along Kaveri river with the help of 12,000 Sri Lankan slaves? And the correct answer is Karikala. The Cholas were wiped out in the attack of Dash from the north. And the correct answer is Pallavas. Who won in the Battle of Venni? And the correct answer is Karikala. He defeated the confederacy of Cheras, Pandyas and 11 minor chieftains. Pandyas were first mentioned by Dash and the correct answer is Megasthenes. This proves that Pandyas were contemporaries of Mauryas. As per Megasthenes, the kingdom of Pandyas was famous for Dash and the correct answer is pearls. Pandya kingdom corresponds to which modern day places? And the correct answer is Tirunelveli, Ramnad and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Pandya's capital Madurai was situated on the banks of Dash river and the correct answer is Vaigai. The Pandya king sent emissaries to Roman emperor Dash and Dash and the correct answer is Augustus and Trojan. Pandyas are mentioned in which Indian literature? And the correct answer is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Who is the first known ruler of Pandya dynasty? And the correct answer is Mudukudumi. Who was the greatest Pandya king? And the correct answer is Nendujelian. Nedujelian accused Dash of theft. As a result, the city of Madurai was laid under the curse by Dash and the correct answer is accused Kovalan of theft and cursed by Kannagi. King was the center of administration. What were the other names the king was known by? And the correct answer is Ko, Mannam, Vendan, Koravan and Iraivan. What was Evai? And the correct answer is the court of the crowned monarch. The officials of the king were known by the name Dash, and the correct answer is Panch Mahasabha. Who were the members of Panch Mahasabha? And the correct answer is Amaichar, who was ministers, Purohitar, who was a priest, Senapatiyar, who was the commander, and Orar, who were spies. The kingdoms during Sangam period were divided into Dash, and the correct answer is Mandalam or Nadu, which are provinces, Ur, which was town, Perur, which were big villages, and Sirur, which were small villages. What was the term used for name of coastal town? And the correct answer is Patinam. What was the term used for harbour area? And the correct answer is Puhar. What was the term used for suburb of town? And the correct answer is Cheri. Karai meant dash, and the correct answer is land tax. Irai meant dash, and the correct answer is tribute paid by feudatories and booty collected in war. Ulgu meant dash, and the correct answer is custom duties. Iravu meant dash, and the correct answer is extra demand or forced gift. Varyam meant dash, and the correct answer is a well-known unit of territory yielding tax. Who was Warrior? And the correct answer is tax collector. Which river was watered in Chola territory? And the correct answer is Kaveri river. How many Sangam took place? And the correct answer is 3. The king who according to Sangam legend feasted Mahabharat warrior is dash, and the correct answer is Udayangaral. The term Amaichar in Sangam literature signified dash, and the correct answer is post of ministers. What was the venue for the first Sangam? And the correct answer is Madurai. Which Sangam was held in Kapatapuram or Alvai? And the correct answer is second Sangam. What was the venue for third Sangam? And the correct answer is Madurai. The first Sangam is supposed to be presided by dash, and the correct answer is Agastya or Agatyar. Second Sangam was conducted under the chairmanship of dash, and the correct answer is the founder chairman was Agastya and the later chairman was Tolkapiar. The last Sangam was presided over by dash, and the correct answer is Nakirar. What were the surviving texts from first Sangam? And the correct answer is none of the texts survived. What was the surviving text from second Sangam? And the correct answer is only Tolkappiyam. Who wrote the early work on Tamil grammar text Tolkappiyam? And the correct answer is Tolkappiyar. What were the surviving texts from third Sangam? And the correct answer is Ettu Togai, Pattu Patu, Patinen Kilakanuku. Which Sangam is said to have been attended by gods and legendary sages? And the correct answer is first Sangam. Ettu Togai and Pattu Patu are called dash, and the correct answer is Mela Kinakanuku. These are called 18 major works. Patinen Kilakanuku is called dash, and the correct answer is Kilakanaku. These are called 18 minor works. Tirukural or Muppal is written by whom? And the correct answer is Tiruvalluvar. Which Tamil work is known as the Bible of Tamil land? And the correct answer is Tirukural. It is a treatise on polity, ethics and social norm. What are some of the epics written during Sangam period? And the correct answer is Sila Padikaram, Manimekalai, Sivaga Sindhamani, etc. Who wrote Sila Padikaram? That is the story of Anklet. And the correct answer is Ilango Adigal. Sila Padikaram deals with the story of Dash, and the correct answer is story of Kovalan and Madhavi of Kaveri Patnam. Which literary work is known as Iliad of Tamil poetry? And the correct answer is Sila Padikaram. Who wrote Manimekalai? And the correct answer is it is written by Sittalai Sattanar. It deals with the adventures of Manimekalai, who is the daughter of Kovalan and Madhavi. It is a sequel of Sila Padikaram, and also it is strongly tinged with Buddhism. Who wrote Sivaga Sindhamani or Jivaka Chintamani? It is written by Jan Tirutta Kardeva. Who wrote Bharatam? And the correct answer is Peru Devanar. The people of Sangam age had external trade with dash, and the correct answer is Roman. What is Panch Tinai? And the correct answer is 5 Tamil regions or land. What were the 5 Tamil regions? And the correct answer is Kurunji, Palai, Mullai, Marutam, and Naithal. What was the chief occupation of the people belonging to Palai? And the correct answer is cattle lifting and highway robbery. Who is known as the father of Tamil literature? And the correct answer is Agastya. What was the chief occupation of the people belonging to Mulai? And the correct answer is shifting agriculture and animal husbandry. What was the chief occupation of the people belonging to Kurunji? And the correct answer is hunting and gathering. What was the chief occupation of the people belonging to Marutam? And the correct answer is plough agriculture. What was the chief occupation of the people belonging to Naithal? And the correct answer is fishing and salt extraction. Who were the inhabitants of Kurunji? That is hilly, backwoods or mountain region. And the correct answer is Kuruvar and Vettar. Who were the inhabitants of Palai? That is arid zone or dry land. And the correct answer is Ainar and Maravar. Who were the inhabitants of Mulai? That is pastoral land. And the correct answer is Ayar and Idayar. Who were the inhabitants of Marutam? That is wetland. And the correct answer is Ulavar and Vellalar. Who were the inhabitants of Naithal? That is littoral and coastal region. And the correct answer is Paratavar and Valayar. So this is the end of lesson, guys. In the next class, we'll be taking up Gupta period. Thank you.